instance, is a security vulnerability for the back door, but it's also a security vulnerability for the actual side doors as well, because if they get that into the unlock position, your side doors get unlocked, and then at that point they can get in the van from the side. And even if you've got side door security like your deadlocks and that, they might get the door open that little bit and start to have a go at them. So we put the armour plate on the back door to stop the back door lock from being unlocked, but we've also done an electronic modification. So now each of these doors that have barrels in them, which on this van it's the driver's door, the passenger door and the barn door, these locks will only unlock that respective door. They don't activate the central locking anymore. So if I was to put this into the unlock position now, the alarm's gone off. The driver's door's unlocked, but the back door's still locked. The side door's still locked, and I just turned the alarm off now. And so all the rest of the van is still locked, and actually it's still deadlocked. So what I mean by that in terms of deadlocked, I mean the manufacturer's factory deadlocking. So this van, if it's double locked from the remote control, you can't even open it from the inside. So if I was to try and open up this door from in here, and I've double locked the van, lock, double lock, but I'm pulling around at this door handle, and I can't unlock this van at all from here. So I can't get out of this van if I've double locked from the remote control. So double locking your van if you've got one of these Citroen Dispatches is essential. Press it twice every time, but there are these security vulnerabilities. This lock, the lock on the passenger door, the lock on the back door. So our electronic modification to switch those barrels off in effect and put the armour plate on the back door is a really good security update to your manufacturer's locking.